This video covers an introduction to parentheses, and for this, we're going to need to talk about order of operations. So when solving equations and working with expressions, you have to follow the order of operations. And I grew up, and I think most people did, with PEMDAS. PEMDAS is an acronym that stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. A lot of people use this mnemonic to remember it, like please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. But this is the order of operations. You have to take care of what's inside the parentheses, followed by exponents, multiplication and division from left to right, addition and subtraction from left to right. And this definition, this doesn't really show how equal multiplication and division and addition and subtraction are. So I have this newer version that I heard of, I'm pretty sure, on TikTok, and I like it a lot better, and it is GEMS. So it stands for grouping, because it's not always parentheses. You can have, brackets, you could have parentheses. I haven't seen these guys in a while, but they could be there. Exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So the key is to perform multiplication and division from left to right. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. So here's our new thing we're going to follow, GEMS, groupings, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, subtract from left to right. So now that we've covered order of operations, we can definitely work through some examples. So here's some introduction to parentheses examples. Remember, we always want to do the operation inside the parentheses first. So let's evaluate the following. So for problem 1, I have 2 times 4 minus 6. Well, because 2 times 4 is in that parentheses, I'm going to take care of it first. I've got 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. That's my final answer. For example 2, I have 17 minus 8 divided by 2 in parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead and divide 8 by 2. So I have 17 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 17 minus 4, that's going to give us 13 for our final answer. Now this third example is interesting because it's got 2 sets of parentheses. We just need to make sure we evaluate both sets of parentheses before multiplying them, of course. So I have 5 plus 6, that's 11, times 21 divided by 7, which is 3. 11 times 3 is 33 for our final answer.